As you just heard, someone at Philly's bar shouted something offensive in my direction. And honestly, that's exactly why I don't want to come to Philly's bar and do live streams from there. Even if people don't come up to me directly and say, "We hate you" or "We hate your videos," it doesn't make the situation any better. I simply don't feel comfortable being there. Yes, there are good people, absolutely. But there are also people who are, let's say, not very pleasant. And during a live stream, anything can happen. Someone might shout something rude or try to provoke a reaction. And I'm not interested in that. So no, I'm not planning to do live streams from there. Let other bloggers do it, especially those who spend a lot of time in bars. That's just not our style. I understand that on our channel there are also people who don't like us. Some of them think that we invading their personal space, but that's simply not true. We only walk on public streets and show the real situation in Angeles City. If I do live streams, they will be walking streams or from places where I feel safe and comfortable. Some people also believe that filming on Fields Avenue is not allowed. Again, that's not correct. People should actually take time to understand the laws, what is allowed and what is not. Leon studied law in Russia and even worked in the police for some time, so we take this seriously. If you watch our videos carefully, you'll notice something important. We never focus on people. We don't zoom in on anyone. We simply walk and film the environment. All of our videos are walking videos, and they are completely legal. I know that some viewers would prefer something different, more focus on people, more close-up shots, especially of girls. But that's not what we're going to do. We follow the law and we respect people. And if someone appears in our video and asks to be removed, we always respect that request. Soon maybe will open Red Doors Wilkins Hotel.
What's that, sir? Hey, sir! Good afternoon,
Good afternoon. Thank you. Maybe I will buy water. Yeah, water.
Kaya ani, binamahan ako tinapay.
Papay ko na rin po. Siniti ko lang ulit.
Anong pang-exit?
Bol-bol.